Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem, Rakakadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles, great millstone, preaching his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a sit-down lesson for In the News of December the 7th, 2022, on this Wednesday afternoon at 4:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. And this is a news article for investing.com, published December 7th, 2022 at 4:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time by investing.com. And the highlight of this news article, it reads, published by Yassin Ibrahim. And the highlight of this news article, and it reads, for In the News of December 7, 2022. Stock market today, Dow Jones flat and directionless trade as bond sounds recession alarm. And it says the investing.com says the Dow Jones closed flat Wednesday after swinging between gains and losses as the bond markets continue to sound the alarm on a recession, soaring investors' sentiment on stocks. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 1 point, and the Nasdaq Composite fell 0.5%, and the S&P 500 for the third straight time fell in the negatives category, and it fell to 0.2%. And it says the 210 Treasury yield curve inverted by 83 base points, the biggest inversion in about 4 decades, signaling an increasing concern about a potential recession as the economic moves towards official recession in the months ahead. We believe because experts, they've been constantly continuing, been saying that, moving forward to 2023, you're going to see a potential recession of the economy, with the inflation rates continue to increase along with the consumer spending as well too. It says as the economy moves towards official recession in the months ahead, we believe the equally markets will start to price in the because they're gonna continue to increase the federal tax hike as they continue to increase to tackle to lower and easing the inflation, while at the same time you still have the sounding the alarm on a economic recession. Jenny Montgomery Scott said in a note, against the backdrop of growing recession fears, big tech continues to struggle, with Alphabet Nasdaq and Apple Nasdaq AAPL falling more than 1%. It says the travel and leisure stocks were also wounded by fears about an impact of recession on the consumer booking holdings, and Expedia were down more than 4% and 6% respectively, while Airbnb of Nasdaq ABNB fell 1%. The energy stocks were flat, shrug off a more than 2% slump in crude following data showing NYX U.S. petroleum data as crude stockpiles fell more than expected, but gasoline inventory soared, offsetting somewhat positive news about the demanding as the China eased the restriction of the you-know-what. So as we have the markets as they continue to sound the alarm of the in the near future coming up of 2023, which is a couple of weeks away, of a potential recession, and that's going to affect the stocks and markets, with the inflation, the interest rates going to increase now so more than ever. It's going to be a continuing trend, as it's entering 2023 with the markets and is in potentially in jeopardy. They continue to sound the alarm with the economic recession, with the stocks and bonds along with it as well too. So with that, I hope this sit down lesson was edifying through the spirit, power, grace, and mercy of Yahweh Yahushua. And first and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushua, Bahashem, Karkadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles, great millstone, pushing his word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim that be like unto the speckled bird, pushing the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom and a ball.